In this video, I will show you how to see your former usernames on Instagram. Firstly, you need to launch your application. Then, when you get into that site, you need to go to your profile setup right over here. And right after you get there, you're gonna be available to choose on your right side here. And then, as you can see here, you have many different sites in which you need to go for the settings. And right over here, also you have many sites in which you can simply select on it, or you can go to the search box and then take a look directly through that selection. Right down you have data and history, and if you go to access data, now if you tap on that selection right down, as you can see here, it doesn't shows up that access data. This is why you're gonna go here on the search box and you're gonna find out that selection by getting up to your data. Go access data, or simply go just for data to see how it looks like. But here it is, your mobile data usage. Go for history, account history, and right over here you're gonna be available to choose up your name sessions. Go earlier on your name, and here, or simply it says you change your name to this one 1 year ago. If you scroll down, you can find out also many different things.